the most important thing you can do as an executive in the age of AI, if you're thinking about automation, if you work in finance, or if you work in software, there's many things here that are moving, and a lot of Fortune 500 companies are scrambling because everybody's so confused that they don't know how to actually use ChatGPT, which is the most popular LLM, the large language model, and people are scrambling together like, okay, so what should we do with this ChatGPT? What can it do? What can't it do? Is it just hype? Is it a lot of potential? So to some degree there's hype, but there's also a lot of stuff actually that works. So number one is that you should understand that the models are competing at the moment. So the big companies that are behind these large models, you need to be experimenting with different models. Every week there's like new releases. So for instance, ChatGPT is great overall for the moment. But if you're somebody like me who also likes to think about like, okay, so how much can I automate? How much do you need engineers to work on building something? So at the moment, there's a very interesting model that came out, which is Claude Sonnet 3.7, and it actually outperforms ChatGPT on programming. And I also, as a no-code founder, was able to make many different applications for it, and this is of course great because then you can actually, when you think about being a manager in your company, you of course want to manage the team, but then you understand that it's about building the software, but it's also about making sure that customers find it. So now there's very interesting, of course, because now that you can make applications which required a lot of technical know-how before, but now it can actually be sped up. If you can build it yourself, your engineers can quickly get up to speed, and there's a lot of hype there. So the key here is to actually look at the different models and understand that there are specialties in this industry. So using just ChatGPT as a general model isn't the best way to do it. It's also about trying different models to see what can they do, and also make sure you follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, because I talk about there you can find the latest info on different models which have been recently updated, because I'm constantly testing out different models, which one could be the best for specific tasks, as I'm also trying out to build applications myself. And many get so afraid of this age where it's like, okay, the technology is developing so fast that it becomes sort of scary. But I would actually encourage you that this is the golden age of being a leader, being a founder, working in software or finance, because there are so many tasks that can be automated. I've also used building models for financials. I've done that with the Claude, and also investments, and also for tracking, for instance, personal health, biohacking routines. So that is also something I've tested out. Now, if you want to see more content like this, specifically in AI, finance, and health, I recommend that you follow for more, and you can also check what services I provide consulting in these topics if you actually want to be part of the next level in AI, finance, and health.